previous class we learned about HCF and LCM. What is HCF and LCM? LCM, the full form of LCM is lowest common multiple, and the full form of HCF is highest common factor. Highest common factor and lowest common multiple. Now let us find out how we can get the LCM of two numbers. For example, 60 and 75. How can we get the LCM of it? Another number 30, 45. Yeah, 25, 75. These numbers, how can we find the LCM of these numbers? For this, we have to find out the prime factorization, prime factors of these numbers. For prime factors, we can write them like this, and we divide both the numbers with the same number. For example, by 5, 12, 15, again by 3, 4, 5. Now we can say there is no common number to divide the numbers, so we have to multiply it 5 into 3 into 4 into 5. 5 3 15, 15 4 60, 60 into 5 300. So the LCM of 65 and 75 is 300. Now let us take these numbers 30 and 45. 30 and 45. How can we find the LCM? You divide these numbers with the same number, with a common number. For example, 5. We can divide with the 5. It is better to divide with the lowest number. So 3. We can start with the 3. 10. Now it is 15. Again by 5, 2, 3. Now there is no common number, common factor of both the 2 and the 3. So we cannot divide them. So we can multiply 3 into 5 into 2 into 3 is equal to 15, 30, 90 is the LCM. LCM of 30 and 45 is 90, 60 and 75 is 30, 300. Now let us see one more example, 25 and 75. The common factor is 5, by which we can divide both of these numbers. 5, 25 and how many 5s? 15. So again with the 5, 1, 3. Now the common multiple is 5 into 5, 25 into 3. 5 into 5 into 3 is equal to LCM is 75. Now it is very easy to understand what is LCM. Now let us see. We can prove what is LCM. आपको समझाने में आसान है LCM क्या है. देखिए 60 और 75 का LCM 300 है. ये LCM क्या है? ये लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल है. कॉमन है. देखिए 300 में 60 भी डिवाइड हो जाएगा. कितने बार हो जाएगा? 5 बार. 75 कितने बार जाएगा? 300 में 4 बार. 5 बार. मैंने बोथ नंबर्स आर डिविजिबल. 300 ऐसा संख्या है जो 60 और 75 दोनों इसमें भाग हो जाएगा. इससे छोटा कोई संख्या नहीं है जो 60 और 75 दोनों एक साथ भाग हो सके. इसलिए कॉमन मल्टीपल इसको कहा था. 560, 5 into 60, 300, 4 into 75, 300. It's the multiple of both of the numbers. It is the lowest common multiple. So we can say 300 is the common multiple of both 60 and 75, and it is the lowest one also. If we take any other number other than 300, there is no other number other than 300 or lower than 300 or smaller than 300 which is a common multiple of both 60 and 75. Let us take any number. 200 you take, 150 for example. I take 150. 75 is divisible. It's a multiple of 75, but it is not multiple of 60. Take 120. It is multiple of 60, but not multiple of 75. So it is not common multiple. So we cannot say it is the LCM. The LCM of 60 and 75 is 300. Now take 90. It is the common multiple of 30 and 45. 30 3 times and 45 2 times. There is no other number lower than or smaller than 90 which is a common multiple of both 30 and 45. In the same way, 75, you see 75. 25 is also divisible in 75 and 75 is also multiple of 75. There is no other number lower than 75 which is a multiple of both these numbers. Now let us find out what is HCF. HCF is highest common factor. For example, you see here HCF 40 and 70. Let us see how can we find out. You just start dividing the larger number with the smaller number. We get 140 and subtract it from 70, 30. For 30 you divide with 40. 1 times 30. Again with 30 you divide this number. It's 3 times 30, 0, 0. When we get the remainder 0, 0, that number will be the HCF. HCF of 40 and 70 is 10. You see, we find the HCF of these three numbers 100. For this, we start with the lowest number and the next number which is greater than the lowest. 1 time 100, 50, again 100, 2 times 100. Now we got 50. Now we divide this 50 with the 225. 4 times 225. 2 times 50. So HCF of these numbers is 25. In this way we can find out the HCF and LCM of numbers. I give one more example over here, and after that we will be able to find the HCF very easy. One more example. Find HCF. See small numbers 12, 18 and 30. 12 divided with the 80. 1 time 12. 6 12. 6 we got here, and 6 with the 30. 5 times 30. So we find HCF of this number is 6. In this way we can find out the HCF of numbers.